am I supposed to sleep? This is my first night out, truly alone. Nobody I know around me. In my van, hiding out. I had to get out and tarp off the tent because it said it wasn't supposed to rain. And it started raining, and my rain flaps are like destroyed from the wind. So I had to get out and tarp it all up. And then, thank God that didn't hit when I was out there. The thunder and the lightning started, and it is crazy right now. The dog has been snoring like crazy too, but that's not as bad. Almost as bad as the thunder. Between the drool, the snot. There he is snoring. You hear the rain? It's great. Oh my God, that's crazy. I don't know how I'm gonna sleep.